right, who do we got now? We got 3-9, is that what we're doing?
Yep.
All right, my
Nice
friend.
to meet you, Tony.
Nice to meet you as well. Let's talk about 3-9. Firstly, introduce yourself and give a little bit of a background, and then let's get into some products that are the most exciting to instigate our audience to start sending some questions over and some thoughts and ideas, or maybe a giddy up smack on the butt. I don't care, send something over. Let's get you engaged.
Yeah, well, my name is Fritz Esselman. I'm with 3-9 Industries, and we are a mist collector manufacturer. And well, let me rephrase that. We're a mist eliminator manufacturer. We actually do not collect anything, and that's what really separates us from all the other technologies that are out there. But in a nutshell, what we have is a permanent media, and this is the secret sauce, so to speak. And we call this the disc stack, and we stack these up between two rotors. This is a chemical resistant thermoplastic, and we attach that to a drive, a direct drive system. So this is rotating under high speed, and that centrifugal force creates the suction, and that pulls the mist up into the center of the disc stack, and it throws it out into through half meter holes within this disc stack. So because centrifugal forces are perpendicular to the axis, the mist particle is then forced to go onto the surface here, and it discharges out the end, and all of that returns back to your coolant sump. So none of the mist is caught up in any kind of collector. So that means there's no filters to replace, there's virtually no maintenance, and we can do that down to 1 micron, 100% down to 1 micron. So that's very unique in the industry, and we're basically the only company that can offer that.
That does sound incredible, I'm not gonna lie. So no maintenance to it really, you don't need to replace the filters, but I'm gonna step back a little bit and just pretend I'm an audience member that goes, is that for me, or is that the industry I'm in? Or let's just take a moment, we know the technology, it obviously makes sense that we're gonna save money off of it. 1 micron filtration is beautiful, we want to see that. Your technology is unique and the only ones that are offering this, but if I'm watching right now and I'm going, well, I haven't heard, and you're pretty famous, so a lot of people have heard of you, but let's pretend for a second ago, I haven't heard of 3-9. Are they for me? I'm in aerospace, I'm in medical, I have this machine, I have that machine, I'm working in this part of the industry. Is this for everyone, or how does this actually work?
Yep, good question. And you know, just about everybody wants clean air. So regardless of the technology, we're in the business really of providing clean air. And we think that we have a system that's can do that with the least amount of cost. So we really don't run into anybody that says that they can't use clean air. Yeah, so regardless of the industry. So if you're generating mist, and that is our market, we're 100% in the business of mist collection. So any process that generates mist, that's the market that we're shooting for.
It sounds like we're both pretty big fans of our lungs.
Yes, and you should be. Keeps you talking, right?
It does, and I have to talk a lot apparently, and we have so many more areas to see. So pretty cool technology, something I'm learning about. For the people out there watching right now that want to learn more, do you have a website? Do you have a phone number? Maybe you don't want to give that. Somebody gave their personal phone number out earlier. Would you believe that? On live TV?
Yeah, I don't know.
And we can't even delete it. There's no editing to that, so he's in big trouble.
Yeah, well, I won't do that, but www.39.com, so the number 3 and then NINE. And that pretty much will take you and give you all the information that you need. But we're all over North America. We have headquarters in Texas, and a service facility out of Charlotte, North Carolina. There's independent reps throughout the country. We have and direct people as well.
Well, I thought that was going to be my last question, but now I have an additional question. I was going to let you go, but I've changed my mind based on what you're saying, the distribution here. We always like to know where products are made, where the intelligence comes from. Where is this product distributed here in the U.S.? Where's it made?
Yep, we're based out of Stockholm, Sweden.
Oh, cool.
Yep, and fortunately, we've been able to work with Methods here, and we've just recently gotten started with them, but they're a great company, obviously, and we're looking forward to a lot of business through them and with them, and they're in facilities like this and shows like this that make it happen. So
Well, I hope my friends over in Sweden are watching this, because I literally just flew back yesterday from Sweden out of Stockholm. So, Let's take a look. Let's maybe do some filming, a factory tour. What do you think? We're gonna do some partnerships, methods, MTD, 39. For those of you watching, that is the website right there, 39, the number 3, the word 9.com. Thank you so much.
Tony,
I do appreciate
nice
it, and
meeting
I hope we
you.
can get
see
over
you
to
again.
Sweden. Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
yeah.